Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to remove. There is an active subscription on this account that requires at least one payment on file. So guys, if you are trying to remove your payment method from your Apple device but you're facing this problem and you are unable to remove it, here I will show you how can you fix this issue and how can you remove the payment method from your device. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. All you have to do is that simply open settings on your device and then go to your profile. And first of all, you have to simply go to subscriptions from here. So guys, go to subscriptions, and from here you have to simply remove or cancel all the subscriptions on your Apple ID. So guys, you can see this. If you have any subscription with this payment method, you have to simply cancel it or remove it, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply go to your payment and shipping again, and from here you have to simply add a new payment method, and after this try to remove the previous payment method from your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply scroll it below and go to sign out, and then sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time. So guys, do this, and after this sign in your Apple ID again on your device, and after this add your payment method again. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply open the Sport app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, you can see you can get support from here from the Apple team. So guys, after this hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.